Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Bible app on your mobile device. So if you're using an Android device, go to the Google Play Store, but since I'm using iPhone, I'm going to go to the App Store, this blue button on the right hand side of my home screen. Click in there, go to the search page on the bottom right, and then start typing in Bible, press search. And then that's going to give us a bunch of different advertisements at the top. Skip past those and then go to the very first organic link, this Bible app right here. Press the Get button on the right hand side. And then that's going to ask us to confirm Face ID by double clicking the button on the right hand side of the iPhone device. Once Face ID has been confirmed, it's going to start downloading, and you can see the progress of the download by the blue ring going round the circle right here. I'll come back once this has downloaded. So guys, now that this is downloaded on the device, the App Store gives us the option to press the Open button, and that will launch the app. So press the Open button, and that's going to launch the Bible app right here. Seek God every day, continue with Apple, Google, Facebook, or email. There's a black button below that says create a free account. I'm going to go in there, explore the largest library of Christian content, and you can continue again with either Apple, Google, Facebook, or email. If you already have an account, you can go to the sign in button below and basically just give your email and password and sign in to the Bible app. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.